Today we're going to learn how to make Google Slides. So starting off, you either want to already have a Gmail account or you can simply create a free Gmail. This will give you access to many helpful apps. When you click Google Apps, you can scroll down to where it says Slides. When this opens up, you can see this blank page. I already have some presentations here, but yours should be blank. When you do this, you can either choose a template that they already have there, which this is just when you could click this if you're making a case study, and it would open it up with a bunch of slides that are already have a template on this. This is easy and you can just go in and change the information involved. If you would like to start with a blank one, you can just hit this plus button and it'll open up a new document. This is where you can get really creative. You can choose which theme you want and the colors involved. You can add photos, you can add shapes, graphs. You can add so many things to a Google slide. So first you just want to choose a theme. So let's go with this theme. So you just click it and it'll apply it to the slide. If you don't like the colors that's involved, you can choose change background. Here's the color. You can use one that's already in the theme. That's a solid color. You can choose a gradient color, which is kind of shiny. And then you would do add to theme. And that way it'll go for the whole document, not just this one page. You can also choose an image to put in your background. And you hit done. So you can see that it changed here. You can also change the layout of the slide you're on by hitting layout. Even if you already have text on the slide, it'll change to the layout that you choose. So this is the title slide, so we're just going to keep it the same. You can simply add text by clicking and typing out what you need to. Next, to add a different slide, you're just going to hit this plus button in the top left corner. When you click this, it's going to create a new slide, and you can also change the layout to what you would want. So you can just hit this, hit layout, and say you want to do something with a main point. You just click here. And it'll open up a new page with your main point. Say you want to add an image next to this. You would just go to Insert, Image, and choose how you would like to upload it. You can also add text box, audio, video, shapes, tables. Tables, you just slide it and click, and it'll open up the table for you. You can also add diagrams, word art, special characters, animation to the slide. And then when you are formatting, you can also add different things to the text, align it how you would like, fix the paragraph spacing, add bullet points and numbers, and then this has to do with the table if you're doing the format for that. You can also, say you have a slide and you want to duplicate it and then make a graphic on it to go along with it. You could just hit duplicate slide and it'll do that as well. You can also apply transitions from slide to slide. These are the graphics that you would see. So say I hit 2 and I would like my transition to be a dissolve. I could apply it to all slides and this is what it would look like. So then next, I'm going to show you, you can make a copy of the slides to send them out, or you can import them. You can download it into different Microsoft PDF, plain text, any way that you would need to upload it. But you can also use templates that are for free on other websites, such as slidescarnival.com, slidesmania.com, and SlidesGo. If you're doing a fun presentation for maybe a class or a business opportunity, these are super fun and keep the audience involved. So say you want to do this theme, notebook lesson. You would simply click it, and you can choose the color between green, blue, purple, pink, and yellow. So let's say we want to go with purple. You would just hit Google Slides, make a copy. Sometimes it takes a minute because it gives you a bunch of free different templates for slides. So now you've got it loading, and it comes with mini slides, as you can see. And so it'll start with this, and it gives you templates, and all you have to do is just change the typing in the words and make it what you would want. You can add those transitions, you can add images that you want, but it just gives you many options to do that are for free. So use these resources. And again, that's just slidesgo.com, Slidesmania, and Slides Carnival. You can edit them all the same way. I honestly just suggest going in and playing with the website some, getting comfortable with what you're using, and you can always find more things and ways to change them each time you do them. But that is how you use Google Slides.